Hello, today you're looking at a 1500 amp Darrah 12 volt air cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully refurbished and is in great working condition. You see this is a tap switch, controls right here. I'll get this started for you in a second. I don't know if you guys can see the nameplate. Overall dimensions is 32 by 41 by 60 inches. Input is 208. This is a 3-phase. I'll get this started for you right now. Let's show you guys the meter real quick. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.